Hello everyone, this is Manpreet from Career Talks. Welcome back to my channel. So I am here to answer your all queries regarding German studies, German PR, German job. So one by one, I request you to write your queries in comment box. So according to that, I am here to answer your all queries. What do you want to know regarding Germany? So according to your qualification, I am here to guide you that how you plan your future in Germany as a student or yes. Hello everyone. Hi Navjot, hi Kaushik, hi Ramesh, hi Mr. Singh, hi Sahil, hi Rubina. Okay. Please write your queries. Okay. If university rating is working, then why they are mentioned in ranking on which basis? See, Germany never plays a game of rank system. Yeah, university rating is working, but if we say that Germany education is completely free of cost, so it's like government funded universities. So we can say that all is collected through the citizens tax regarding who are the taxpayers they are paying, and according to that government funded universities. And we can say that government funded universities at the same level. We never say that TU Munich have more funds, they are giving good salaries for professors, their education is better than TU Berlin or XYZ, nothing is like that. All universities have same education level, same library system, same technology, same so everything is designed at a same level. So we never say that if I want, don't focus on the names of university. Always try to enter in university with the name with your desired course only. So if you want this course and this course is present in this university, either this university from a small province, it's okay. That university gives you a conditional offer letter, and that means they accept your Indian education system and allow you to enter into German education system. So it's good that you are allowed to study free of cost in Germany according to your desired course. So don't focus on the university ranks. Germany never play a game of rank system, and also never focus on the grades. If you are 50% scorer, then yes, you have the same option to study like as a 90% student has an option to enter into the German public universities. Okay, lots of queries. Wait. Okay. Hello ma'am, I done my MDS. Then which type of exam given in Germany to get? Like here, if you already done MDS and if you want to enter in Germany for your MD profile, like you want for this there is a need of license exams. Also there is a need of German language first. When you complete German language, then after reaching Germany, there is a need of FSP exam. After this, you get a temporary license. Then there is a need of KP exam. After this, you get a permanent license to work in Germany. All public hospitals according to your specialization. So there are some license exam required to work in Germany as a doctor profile. Hello ma'am, I already done my GNM and also working, but I want to do a job in abroad. So which country is best for nursing working, and how can I start the process? If you plan for a Germany, there are millions of vacancies of nurses in Germany, and the only demand is German language. And there are two main requirements if you want to enter in Germany as a nurse profile. Number one, nursing skills, which you already done completed by like GNM, also eligible BSc nursing, MSc nursing obviously, but ANM not accepted. They demand 3 years of involvement of your same in the same profile. So if you done GNM, then you are eligible to do work in Germany government hospitals. And the second requirement is German language. German language 3 levels are required to complete in your home country. A1, A2, B1, these 3 levels are required to complete home country. And after reaching Germany, when you start job, then yes, allowed to do one more level parallelly with your job, that is B2 level. After completing B2 level, you get a proper license and good salary in your hand. Like after B1, starting salary will be 2400 euros, and after B2, starting salary sometimes will be 3400 euros or sometimes 3100 euros. So there are main two requirements. Number one, German language, and also your nursing degree. Licensing doctor. Yeah, for work in Germany as a doctor profile, then there is a need of license exams like FSP for temporary license and KP for permanent license. If you want detailed discussion on this one-to-one session, then around 5 p.m. I am live at Zoom session. Then you can join our Zoom session also. Then the Zoom meeting, I explain you the whole process, how you plan for your MD profiling doctor in Germany. And for Zoom meeting link, just DM me on Instagram. I shared the link of Zoom meeting. I'm doing MBA. Please suggest me better course for me after MBA. Already you're doing MBA and you plan to move Germany for your MBA kind courses. Like I always repeat this in all my sessions, like that if you plan for a proper MBA, then this is only possible in private. And if you search like according to your specialization master course, then these courses are possible in public universities also. Like in India, we do MBA in finance, MBA in marketing, MBA in management. So if you search like this, master in marketing, master in finance, master in management, then these courses are possible free of cost in Germany, like in public universities in German language. Why I always say German language? Because after completing German language, job market is very good for you. You get very good options in Germany at the time of jobs. It's very easy to crack an interviews of the company when you plan to enter to Germany with the help of German language. Tell me about English taught package. For bachelor's, approx 12 lakh. Because for this there is a need of completing preparatory program, and it's an English preparatory program, which is, you can say, that equivalent to English student colleague program. You can say this term also, because in Germany there is a need of 13-year education. So that 13-year education, you can say student colleague, you can say preparatory program, which makes your education level equal to German education level. After that, you are eligible to study in German public universities for your bachelor's course. But this preparatory program, if you plan to study in English language according to desired course in public university, then there is a need to complete this preparatory program first. And this preparatory program and all visa, documentation, language, everything includes and guaranteed admission in public university. Total package is around 12 lakh. Last date of English taught, okay. If you want to start this English student colleague English preparatory program, going to be start in September, and registration date is 15 July deadline. Are there bachelor's program taught complete in English in Germany, or is it only for masters? Obviously, master's English taught also possible, bachelor English taught also possible. Either you plan for bachelor's, either you plan for masters. Both courses are possible in public universities in English taught and German taught boards. For English taught bachelor's, registration deadline is 15 July. For English taught masters, deadline is 15 July. For German taught masters, deadline is 15 July. For German taught bachelor's, you can say that deadline is 15 July, because for this there is a need of preparatory course which is going to be started in September. So please hurry up. If you guys seriously interested to plan your studies in Germany, then please coordinate us fast, so that we all try to give you proper explanation that how you plan your studies in Germany free of cost in English language according to desired course. Are you guys also there Germany with me? What services you provide in Germany? Of course, dear, we are present in Germany also. Till you not enter the university, you are under our caretaker. You can say that we help you, we assist you in all documentation assistance you reach in Germany. And like you can say that airport pickup, then we can help you for airport pickup, accommodation booked by us, in health insurance, travel insurance, proper documentation assistance. In visa extension, in city registration, we assist you for all documentation process. Even if you want assistance at time of internship, then yes, possible. If you want assistance at time of PR, then also possible. So relax. When you reach Germany, we are also present in Germany for your assistance at every step. Is IELTS also important in Germany? You can say that. I guess IELTS is not mandatory part of Germany, but if you guys want to study in Germany in English language, then obviously IELTS is required to prove your language proficiency. There's a need of certifications. Then if you want to study English taught bachelor's master, then IELTS is mandatory. Why choose Germany over other countries to study abroad in bachelor program? There are lots of benefits to study in Germany, like PR option there. Education is free of cost, which attracts most youngsters, which attracts the generation to come to Germany for their education, because the education is completely free of cost. And only one demand language, and it's not a very hard demand. Everyone wants to study in Germany and everyone wants to settle in Germany. So if you plan to enter in Germany with the help of language, if you enter, then you feel like a king. Job market is very good for you. Once you enter in Germany, there is no need to disturb your parents again, because the country itself help you to refill your pockets. So there are lots of benefits to study in Germany. Hi Sahil, how are you? Any more queries? I'm waiting for more queries. Thank you everyone. I'm only 5 minutes here more to answer your all queries. Thank you so much, ma'am. Always welcome here. What level of German language skills do I need in order to attend a student league? If you want to study in public universities, then there is a need of 13-year education, and in German education system, it's called a student league program. There are two types of universities, like public and private. Private, in which you have to pay fees, and public is free of cost. Like the same way, student league also of two types. If you want to study student league free of cost, then there is an entrance exam which is called Aufnahmeprüfung, in which 50% exam is mathematics, 50% exam is German language. And if you want to study student league without any entrance exam, then that student league possible in private institutes, and yes, there is a fees. And for this student league, no entrance exam, but the whole student league is in German language. Then to C1 level, there is a need to complete. After this, you are allowed to study German taught student league. But also again, there are two types of student league in German taught, and yes, possible in English taught also. For English taught student league, there is no German language, but still we include 3 levels of German language, so that it's easy. It's help you to survive in Germany. So always we add German language levels also included in this English preparatory program. But the whole program is in English language. So it's your choice. You want to study public student league, you want to study private student league, you want to study German taught student league, you want to study English taught student league. We have all options under one roof. Hi Piyush. I don't know why this wave option not pressed. Okay, which university is most demanded in Germany? I mean, is it public or private is best? Always public university is best. When you are eligible to study free of cost in Germany, then why you choose private universities to enter in Germany, to pay some fees and then plan to study in Germany, where 95% public universities are in Germany, only 5% private universities. Yeah, play a game. So always try to enter in public universities for your studies. Thank you so much, ma'am. You gave great explanation, ma'am. Always welcome here. Current Talks always guide students to take admissions in public universities. We never guide students for private universities. This is our specialty. And 99% we always guide students in German taught programs. Yeah, 1% English taught, it's okay. Thank you, ma'am. Always welcome here. Any more queries? I guess that's for today's session. So still, if you have any more query confusion, you can join us tomorrow again. And after half an hour, around 5 p.m., I'm live at Zoom session. If you want to communicate with me one-to-one session, then join our Zoom session. And if you are interested to join Zoom session, then DM me for the link. Through Insta also possible. And if you are aware with our numbers, then you can join us on through WhatsApp also. You can message me for Zoom meeting link also. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.